Everyone thinks the best-selling electric bikes are automatically the best choice for heavy riders. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, you'll find that not all e-bikes can handle your needs or weight. Let's uncover the top options that really deliver. Product number 1, URLIFE Folding Electric Bike. The URLIFE Folding Electric Bike caught my eye with its sleek design and surprisingly affordable price point of $259.99. With a powerful 500W peak motor and a range of up to 40 miles per charge, this is worth a serious look if you're hunting for convenience and portability in your e-bike. The 500W motor means you can reach speeds of 20 mph, which is perfect for quick commutes or leisurely rides. Plus, it offers 3 versatile riding modes, full electric, pedal assist, and manual, allowing you to customize your riding experience based on your energy levels. With 171 reviews averaging 4.3 stars, it's clear that many riders appreciate its smooth ride thanks to multi-shock absorption that minimizes bumps. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for short commutes or casual rides, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. You'll still get a great experience without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, portable bike for short trips. Skip this one if you need something for long-distance rides or rough terrain. For the price, you really get a great value here. Now, if that range bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, EOEOTWO Electric Bike. Next up is the EOEOTWO Electric Bike, priced at $599.99. This is a solid option with a robust 48V15Ah battery that offers an impressive range of 60-70 miles, which really caught my attention. If you want long-distance rides without worrying about running out of juice, this one's worth considering. Its fat tires 26x4 grip any terrain, whether you're on city streets or tackling rugged trails. Plus, the bike has multiple riding modes to adapt to your needs, from throttle to pedal assist and even a regular bike mode for exercise. It's designed for riders up to 330 pounds, ensuring stability and safety with dual disc brakes. This bike has proven popular with over 75 reviews averaging 4.1 stars. Now, some users noted that its assembly can be a bit tricky. But here's the thing, if you're willing to put in a little time, you'll end up with a reliable ride that meets your long-distance needs. This is perfect for you if you want an e-bike that offers great battery life and versatility. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight option or are not comfortable with some assembly. It's a strong contender for those looking for value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling rougher landscapes. Product number 3, HQYEX Electric Bike. The HQYEX electric bike is next, priced at $629.97, and let me tell you, it packs a punch with its 1500W motor that can reach speeds of 31 mph. If you're after a powerful ride for off-road exploration, this one's definitely worth your attention. The 20 fat tires and dual suspension system ensure a comfortable ride no matter where you go. Plus, the 48V20Ah removable battery supports long-distance rides, which means you can take it out for an entire day without worrying about charging. With 8 reviews averaging 4.8 stars, it's gaining traction among thrill seekers. Now, some people might find it too heavy at around 65 pounds. This is perfect for you if you want an e-bike that can handle tough rides and steep inclines. Skip it if you're looking for something lightweight for casual city riding. Considering its performance, it offers great bang for your buck. Now, if that weight concerns you, the next option is designed for ease of use and portability. Product number 4, GENBIKO Fast E-Bike. Next, we have the GENBIKO Fast E-Bike priced at $799.98. With a peak power of 2500W and a top speed of 45 mph, this bike really impressed me. If speed and performance are what you crave, this one might be your best bet. The dual hydraulic disc brakes ensure that you can stop safely at those high speeds, while the fat tires provide stability and comfort on all terrains. It even has 5 riding modes so you can adjust based on your day's activities. With 12 reviews currently holding 4.9 stars, it's hard to argue with its popularity. Now, some folks found the price a bit steep. But honestly, when you consider the performance and range, it's a worthy investment for serious riders. This is perfect for you if you prioritize speed and distance in your riding experience. Skip this if you're just looking for something for short commutes. You get a lot of value for the power it provides. Alright, if that price made you think twice, let's look at the last option that's budget-friendly yet robust. Product number 5, LELE-KUAI Heavy-Duty Electric Bike. Finally, we have the LELE-KUAI Heavy-Duty Electric Bike, priced at an incredibly low $239.99. This bike is designed for heavier riders with a capacity of over 500 pounds, which immediately drew my attention. If you want something affordable that can still handle your weight, this is worth a look. Why this matters for you specifically? The 750W motor allows for speeds of 24 mph and is paired with a 500 Wh battery that gives you a decent range of up to 20 miles, making it suitable for short rides or commutes. It's foldable and has a 7-shock suspension system that absorbs bumps, ensuring a smoother ride. However, it only has a few reviews with an average of 2.2 stars, indicating some reliability concerns. Now I noticed that some users reported issues with battery life and overall durability. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option and don't need long-range capabilities, this bike still offers a solid ride at a fantastic price. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but need something sturdy. Skip this if you want high performance or long distances. For the price, it's a steal if it meets your needs. So there you have it, the URLIFE folding bike for portability, the EOYOTWO for long rides, the HQIEX for off-road performance, the GNBIKO for speed, and the LELE-KUAI for budget-friendly sturdiness. Each of these bikes has something unique to offer, so consider what's most important for your riding style. Make the right choice and happy riding.